What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today's gonna be a fun day. We're teaching my little cousin how to drive a stick shift in an Autozam AZ-1. This should be fun. Let's get to it. Dirt. We're going to rally stage riding today. Rallying. We're going to rally. Rally. Nah, not really. We're in Boiling Springs at my grandparents' house. Dirt roads. It's only about 20-30 minutes outside of Wilmington where I live. And we're taking the Autozam. And we're taking my cousin, and she is going to drive in a manual for the first time, 1.5 times. She says she's done it once before. I'm not sure if she's lying. I'm not sure how good she did. How good she did. It's gonna be a test today. Autozam AZ-1. It's right-hand drive. It's manual. You're shifting with your left hand. You're sitting on the wrong side of the road for us here in America. And she's never done it before. She's never even been in a ride on it. I don't think she's ever even been for a ride in it. So she's taking her maiden voyage behind the wheel. Kristen, it's all you, girl. Let's go.
Wait, which is the clutch?
Okay. So.
This is clutch?
That's clutch.
What is that?
That's just where you can rest your foot.
Okay, clutch, brake, gas.
Yep.
Press this down while you're changing the gears?
Yep. Just let off that. Well, first, before we start. Anytime there's an issue, car starts, or you don't want to go, you don't want to pull out in the street or whatever, clutch all the way down.
Okay.
And that'll stop the car from going.
Okay.
Okay. What I want you to do first is let off the clutch as slowly as you can. Oh. See how it's?
Yeah, the jumping movement.
So from there you let off even slower. If you let off slow enough, it should just start going forward without any gas.
I just stalled out.
Yep. Clutch down. First, all the way over, up, slow.
Oh God!
Slow. Okay. You see where it's catching and turning off, and that's where you need to be.
Slower?
Not necessarily slower, but you need to know where that is. Like you need to know the feel on where that is.
Okay.
So that's when you can shift.
Change?
Yeah.
Okay.
One eternity later.
Alright, give it some more gas. Oh, they're turning, so wait. Alright, go ahead. Gas.
Okay.
Keep
Now?
going. Nope. You can now, yeah. So, clutch in, gas out, same time. Gas out, pull down all the way. There you go, now reverse. There you go, now you're in second. Clutch all the way down, you can go to first.
Is it in first?
Yep. Alright. Go ahead, yeah. You're you have it a little bit, but you're launching it. You can be a little gentler. Okay, you can give it more gas. Alright, go ahead and do third. You're letting off the gas. There you go.
Oh god.
You gotta let off the gas when you're shifting.
It was way easier in this other car I did it in.
Probably. This is, I don't know what the other car was, but this is more.
I don't know what it was
like
either.
closer to a race car than it is a Mazda 3.
Wait, can I give it more power?
Yeah. As long as you remember, if you need to stop, clutch and brake.
Okay, do I have to change gears when I stop?
No, you just clutch and brake, and that'll stop you.
Okay. Are you nervous?
5%.
I'm not nervous. I have full confidence in my abilities.
Clutch down. Clutch down. Go, go, go. Alright, now shift. Let off the gas. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Why can't I get that?
It's not super easy. Are you off the clutch?
Yeah.
Alright, change it to third. Clutch. There you go. You're in fifth now. Clutch down. There you go.
This is really complicated. Am I hurting your car?
It'll be alright if you are.
No, it's not alright. Okay, so turn.
Yep, clutch and brake. And then since we're not going to come to a complete stop, I would come out of third and go down to second. Down. There you go. Now let off the clutch and gas. There you go. That was good.
So you don't really have to hit the gas that much. You just ease it a little bit.
It depends on what you're doing. But yeah, I mean, it's not you don't have to go clutch and then gas to the floor. Clutch and brake.
Should I turn it?
Yeah, I guess. Clutch down, clutch down, clutch down. Go to first. Now do it. Brake.
I'm not gonna turn it.
Yes. This is what you're here for, right? This is Lounge by the Lake video.
No! God, please, no! No!
Nah. You don't want to see that. You don't want to see me on the floor, on the ground by the lake. Look at this. My cousin Kristen and my cousin Sarah.
Is she gonna be in your vlog?
I don't know who is. None of you may be.
He's probably gonna think that they're like, is she old enough to drive? Wait, how do you move it up?
Both took a rip in the Autozam today, driving a manual for the second time, and they did great. I think they did good, right? The car survived, I survived, Kristen, Sarah survived. Look, the car looks fun. The car had fun. Look at that. You saw some slipping and sliding. There's dirt roads out here. There's paved roads out here. Sometimes there was a little moisture in the air. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Hopefully you did too. Like, subscribe, all the YouTube things. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, Cub Scouts.